Hello guys, today we're gonna be making some makeup, like it could be lip gloss, blush, or anything. First you're gonna add water into a little container. I'm just gonna dump some water in there. Okay, so I dumped some out because it was too much. Now I'm gonna put some lotion. You could use any lotion. I'm using Aveeno lotion. It's my favorite lotion. You're just gonna squeeze it inside. Okay. So now you're gonna go in. And start stirring it. It's super hard to stir because it's like water and lotion doesn't really mix that well. So you might have to go in with your hands and kind of like massage the water and the lotion together to get a nice consistency. So now you're just gonna grab a little bit. You could use some leftover face paint or a little bit of paint. Anything you want. You're just gonna put a little tiny dollop inside. The paint will come out. Okay, now you're gonna stir everything together. Now, lotion and this paint that I'm using does not mix properly, so I had to go in with my hands and I added some of my old recipe. And this one is a completely new one. So as you can see on the old one, like it's very streaky, look, and it's very like vibrant. So we don't really want that. We want it to be more glossy, so the water evens it out. So let's do a side-by-side comparison. First is the old one, which is very streaky, and next is the new one. Let me get it in, and it's way more liquid. And look how glossy that looks. That looks way better.